I would like to thank you all for coming to celebrate this special occasion with us in the opening of Martin Hall. It shows great support to fraternity and sorority life at UNK, and we're very appreciative of that.
We all hear, and may at times be the source of, complaints about construction and the inconvenience it can cause on campus, whether that be parking problems or just having to take a little bit of a longer jog to class. But ultimately, construction is a symbol of progress and innovation. And UNK, through its facilities, is always continuing to move forward.
The opening of this new Martin Hall marks the beginning of a new chapter for fraternity and sorority life here at UNK. Your URS and URN house many memories for you and your alumni. When those facilities were constructed, the pods for chapter segregation enabled a Greek culture of separation and sometimes competition. The new vision for collaboration, while respecting individual chapter cultures, is evident in this building. The intentional design of the interior, with your input, lends itself to building a more powerful fraternity community. That's important to UNK, and we know it's important to you.
Most notably, this housing project assists in providing the IFC fraternities with more visibility to the rest of campus life, and also reduces a lot of distance for those traveling to the student union on our main campus, and positions our community to uniquely establish a culture of care and community.
Greek students are incredible representatives of what it means to be a Loper, through their enthusiastic and lively presence on campus to their outstanding academic and service achievements. They are the heart of our thriving community, and now their home, being moved to the center of our physical campus, matches that reality.
Today is a day to celebrate a thriving fraternity and sorority community. Let's applaud that.